Mali has a population of 23 million people.
In Dixon, 60-odd miles.
Bamako is the capital of Mali and the largest city in Mali.
Is it too late to learn to listen?
Bamako has a population of 2.5 million people.
Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays